This salted caramel mug cake is soft, buttery, and packed with rich caramel flavor, all made in just a couple of minutes. The best part? No mixers, no pans, just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. Let's get started. In a microwave-safe mug, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This builds the base of your soft, fluffy cake. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and just a tiny pinch of salt to enhance all the flavors. Give everything a quick mix, making sure the baking powder blends evenly so your cake turns out tall and tender. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of milk to keep the cake moist, 1 tablespoon of melted butter for richness, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you want an even stronger caramel hit, add a small pinch of instant coffee. For a gooey caramel center, push 1 teaspoon of caramel sauce, or 1 soft caramel candy, right into the center of the batter. Stir it until smooth and lump-free. Push 1 teaspoon of caramel sauce, don't mix it. Let it sit there so it melts into a warm, sticky surprise inside the cake. Microwave your mug cake for about 60 to 70 seconds, depending on your microwave. Let it rest for a minute before frosting. Let's make the non-melting caramel frosting. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of softened butter and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Then add 1 teaspoon of caramel sauce and a touch of vanilla. If you need to loosen it just a bit, add half a teaspoon of milk, only if necessary. You're looking for a thick, pipeable frosting that holds its shape even on a warm cake. Spread or pipe this caramel frosting over your mug cake, letting it swirl beautifully on top. Add a pinch of flaky salt or cinnamon powder for that perfect caramel finish. And there you have it, a warm, gooey, salted caramel mug cake with a rich bakery-style caramel frosting. Fast, comforting, and absolutely irresistible whenever you need a sweet moment of joy. Follow for more no-fail microwave treats, because dessert shouldn't be complicated.